students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great at home. Today we will write the question answers of second chapter, which is the funny shirts. Acha, what was there in the funny shirts? What was the summary of funny shirts? There was a man called Abdul and he had a son called Amin, and they both were living on a hilly area. They lived on a very big hill. Their shop was on the hill, and by profession Abdul was a tailor. And what happened, like when he opens the doors and the windows, the clouds come inside the shop, and there was Abdul cannot see anything, and he stitches all the things, right? So while doing that, he sews some funny shirts. What were the funny shirts? One shirt was there whose sleeves was very long, and the other shirt has 4 sleeves, and the third shirt has no sleeves. So due to the cloud and due to that fog, he cannot see clearly, and he stitched these type of funny shirts. Okay. Then his son Amin came and scolded his father that see how funny these shirts are. No one will buy them from us. And they went to the doctor because Amin thought that Abdul needs to check up. Abdul needs a checkup for his eyes. So they went to the doctor. The doctor then Amin told the doctor to, like, my father has sewed some funny shirts, and he told all the story, and the doctor said, oh my god, a shirt with a long sleeve. Oh, sell it to me, because the doctor was having a giraffe. So as a pet, giraffe as a pet, and he was searching for a shirt like that. Okay. And next, what happened next? Doctor gave the money to Abdul, and then what happened? Yes, Abdul said thank you, and then Amin said what else we should do. So the doctor told Amin to you should give Abdul some carrots. Okay. Why carrots? Because carrots are good for eyesight. So they went to the vegetable seller. Then in the there in front of vegetable seller, he again said the same thing. So the second shirt was also sold like that, and the vegetable seller had a dog. Yes. So he gave the shirt to the dog. Okay. Now what happened? Then they went to the lamp seller. Okay. Then the lamp seller had a set of tablas, and one shirt was sold to the lamp seller. But still there are some points. There are some days when Abdul switch off the lamps, Abdul open the doors and the windows so that the cloud should come, and he could sew the funny shirts. Okay. So we will start with the question answers of this chapter. Okay. Yes. So do you think the spectacles help Abdul to see better? क्या आपको लगता है जो स्पेक्टेकल्स है, जो स्पेक्स हैं, क्या वो अब्दुल को हेल्प करेंगे अच्छे से देखने में? चलो देखते हैं क्या होता है। Do you think the spectacles helped Abdul to see better? Let us see the answer. What do you think? Yes or no? अब्दुल को स्पेक्स लेने चाहिए या नहीं लेने चाहिए? Tell me. लेने चाहिए या बिकॉज वो थोड़ा सा ओल्ड हो गया था और हो सकता है कि उसको देखने में कुछ प्रॉब्लम आए. Yes, I think yes, I think the spectacles help Abdul to see better. Okay, so this was our first question. Then we have question 2. Why was Abdul not able to see anything inside the shop? Why was he not able to see anything? Tell me. Yes. Why was Abdul not able to see inside the shop? क्यों नहीं देख पा रहा था वो अब्दुल? When the clouds floated, into the shop, Abdul was unable to see anything inside the shop. Okay? This is your first question and this is your second question. Now we have our third question. Okay? Question 3. Describe the 3 shirts. Describe the 3 shirts. Okay? Yes. How were the 3 shirts? कैसी थी वो 3 shirts? One shirt had 4 sleeves. The other shirt had only one long sleeve. The last one had no sleeves. Just a neck. Yes? कितने क्वेश्चंस हो गए हमारे? 3 क्वेश्चंस। अभी हम इसको रीड करते हैं। Do you think the spectacles helped Abdul to see better? Yes, I think the spectacles helped Abdul to see better. Why was Abdul not able to see anything inside the shop? When the clouds floated into the shop, Abdul was unable to see anything inside the shop. Now describe the 3 shirts. One shirt had 4 sleeves, the other shirt had only 1 long sleeve, the last one had no sleeves, just a neck. Yes, so pause the video and write the 3 questions in your fair copy. Okay, done? Okay, now we will write the 4th question. What was the 4th question? Why were the shirts called funny? Why were the shirts called funny? Why they were called funny? Yes, why they were called funny? Because the shirts were called funny because of their unusual shape. Okay, now the 5th question. What is the 5th question? What did Amin told the डॉक्टर? क्या बोला था अमीन ने डॉक्टर को अब्दुल के बारे में? Amin told the doctor that his father needed spectacles. Yes, his father needed spectacles as he could not see proper meaning. ओके, क्यों बोला था और क्या बोला था अमीन ने उस डॉक्टर को कि मेरे पापा अच्छे से देख नहीं पा रहे हैं, है ना? Why were the shirts called funny? The shirts were called funny because of their unusual shape. What did Amin told the doctor? Amin told the doctor that his father needed spectacles as he could not see properly. Write these two questions and answer in your fair copy. Pause the video here and write the answers. Okay, done with the answers? Good, very good. In this video we have written 5 questions. Yes, but what you can do, you can write 3 questions when you see the video, then you can write 2 questions the next day. Okay, don't load yourself. Okay, you can write 2 questions of English, 2 questions of science, 2 questions of social science in one day, right? Or what you can do, you can select 2 subjects per day. Like for example, today you are choosing English and social science, so you can complete the homework of English and social science. Then tomorrow you can choose maths and science. Then you can do the homework of maths and science in the next day. So don't load yourself, don't burden yourself with the homework. Okay, we are providing you with the videos, but we don't want to burden you with the homework. Okay, so this was all for this video, and we will meet in the next video with the answers which are left. Okay, bye.